So guys, it's really simple. We have our background. Let's input some text. So press on T or select the type tool from here, then left click. Let's copy paste our text. So I have a list of random names. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. So now we have our text. Let's stretch it like for 4 seconds. Now go to effect control, expand the text. You can change the text size here, center align the text. Now go to window, then enable essential graphics. Select the text again, center the text element. After you are done with the text, press on V or selection tool, then click on somewhere else. Now if we select our text layer and go to essential graphics, under edit we have roll. Check the roll. Seems like our text is gone, but it's not gone. Let's see. See, it's rolling, but it's too fast. So how to slow down? Just stretch it. It was at 4 seconds. Let's stretch it to like 10 seconds. Let's see again. See, now it's more smoother. That's all. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.